So over here you can see that I have a video footage, and what I can do with this is I can go around, click on a clip that I want to apply the color effect on, and then go to colors right here. And then if I were to go around onto edit, then I can manually edit out every elements right here. Let's say for example, I can work around with the exposure, which is the brightness of the video right here. Then you can see there's contrast over here as well. So you can go around, increase or decrease out the contrast, as you can see just like this as well. So you can work around with this just like that. And you can work around with the highlight as well. So you can go around, increase out the highlight, and you can see that the highlight that is the bright areas gets increased just like this. While shadows controls around the dark areas. So if you want to balance everything out, you can increase the shadows and decrease the highlight so that the video is balanced, and then you can work around with the contrast and exposure to get more details as well. You can work around with the temperature, so you can decrease the temperature to make it look more bluish and increase the temperature to make it look more yellowish right here, and you can double click to go back to default as well. So let me just go around and make it a bit more cool like right here. With the tint, you can make it more pink or green right here, just like this. And vibrance affects out the weaker colors and does not affect out the stronger colors right here. With the saturation, you can increase out the overall colors or decrease this out to balance it out just like this. If I were to go around and turn off the color settings, then you can see the before and after over here just like this. And then you can go around onto, let's say for example, advanced, and turn it more like a faded film right here. You can also go around and increase out the sharpness or decrease out the sharpness to make it more blur. And you can also work around with the amount right here to, let's say for example, go around and blacken out the edges right here, and work around with the feather over here to blur it out over here just like this as well. So this is what you have. As you can see, you can turn this off or turn it on right here, and that is what you have. You can go around onto more options right here and create a preset according to it as well. So I'm just going to rename this as my preset just like this, and click on save right here. And once I do that, I can go around over here onto presets right here and scroll down right here, and I can see my preset that I can apply. And if I were to go around and click on apply to all, then the preset here will be applied to all of the footages that I have right here, as you can see. And that is how you can edit out color settings and then make presets out of it inside of Adobe Premiere Rush. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.